Hi everyone, this is Jevan. Today we will discuss about the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 5. Prevention of pollution by garbage from ship. Every year, millions of tons of waste end up into the ocean, harming marine life and ecosystems. Our ocean are home to millions of marine creatures, from majestic sea turtles to graceful fish and soaring seabirds. But imagine this, a sea turtle spots a floating plastic bag, thinking it's a jellyfish, it swallow it, that mistake could be deadly. To combat this, Marvel Annex 5 regulates how ships handle their garbage. Under Marvel Annex 5, garbage includes all kinds of food, domestic and operational waste, all plastic, cargo residues, incinerator ashes, cooking oil and fishing gear, and animal carcasses generate during the normal operation of the ship and liable to be disposed of continuously or periodically. Garbage does not include fresh fish and parts of their generated as a result of fishing activities undertaken during the voyage or as a result of aquaculture activities. However, not all types of garbage are treated the same. Some can be discharged into the sea under strict condition, while others are completely banned from ocean disposal. What is considered garbage? Food waste can be dumped but only 12 nautical miles from land in small pieces. Cargo residues. If they're not harmful, they can be released under certain conditions. Plastic? Absolutely not. Plastic is a ban from being thrown into the sea. Hazardous waste, oils, and chemicals must be properly restored and disposed of in port. The special area established under Marpol Annex 5 are Mediterranean Sea Area and Baltic Sea Area, Black Sea Area, Red Sea Area, Gulf Area, and North Sea Area, and wider Caribbean region and Antarctic area. These are sea areas where we recognize technical reason relating to their oceanographic and ecological condition and the particular character of traffic, such as heavy maritime traffic, low water exchange, extreme ice state, endangered maritime species, and etc. The adoption of special mandatory methods for the prevention of marine pollution by garbage is required. So imagine this. What happens if every ship just dumped just into the ocean? Disaster, right? That's why Annex 5 strictly control what kind of garbage ship can throw away. Ship must ensure their waste of disposed of properly in port reception facilities. Violating these rules can result in heavy fines and legal action. Why does this matter? Think of marine animals, turtle, fish, and seabirds. These creatures often mistake plastic and other debris for food, which can be deadly. Ingesting plastic can cause choking, malnutrition, and even death. Larger pieces of waste can damage fragile coral reef or disrupt delicate ecosystem, while microplastic can enter the food chain, affecting both marine life and humans. By enforcing Marvel Annex 5, which regulates the disposal of garbage from ships, we can reduce the amount of harmful waste entering the oceans. Marvel Annex 5 specifically targets the reduction of plastic, garbage, and other harmful materials that would otherwise end up polluting the marine environment. This is crucial not only of the health of marine life but also for the overall sustainability of our ocean, which provide us with food, oxygen, and regulates our climate. With stronger enforcement of Marvel Annex 5, we help protect marine species and preserve the beauty and health of our ocean for the future generation. It ensures that waste is managed responsibly, preventing it from reaching the sea and causing harm.